डू यू ऑल्सो फील लाइक रिसर्च डिजाइन का मतलब है सिर्फ मेथोडोलॉजी लिखी, टूल्स के बारे में बताया, सैम्पलिंग सेक्शन लिखा एंड यू आर डन, द चैप्टर इज रिटन? इफ यू आर ऑल्सो थिंकिंग लाइक दिस, देन माई फ्रेंड, यू आर रॉन्ग. यू आर डूइंग अ वेरी बिग मिस्टेक. 90% ऑफ स्कॉलर्स से जब सुपरवाइजर्स पूछते हैं कि वेयर इज योर क्लैरिटी, व्हाई यू चूज दिस डिजाइन, व्हाट इज द इम्प्लीकेशन, उस टाइम पे वो स्कॉलर्स पैनिक हो जाते हैं. रीजन क्या है कि हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ पढ़ते हैं और उसको लिख देते हैं. वी आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाई वी आर राइटिंग दिस डिजाइन. वी आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाई वी आर चूजिंग one particular research method. Research design is much more than selecting the right tools. It's about logic, worldview, and your why. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete roadmap how you can design a good research method. And at the end, I'm also going to give you some free bonuses and some free prompts that will going to help you to design your own research structure. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Surbhi Acharya, founder of Sanraj Education. At Sanraj, we help students across globe to write their research confidently. And in this video, I'm going to help you to write your research design with much more clarity and with valid proof. So that the next time your supervisor is going to ask clarity from you, you have all the answers of his questions. Recently, Priya, a scholar from University of California, joined our PhD mentorship program. She was stuck with her research design. When she came to me, she was panicked because she don't have clarity. She has ton of research papers, some AI generated prompts from which she got some outlines, not very well drafted chapters and with zero clarity. She told me that she has changed her methodology 3 times and still she doesn't know what to do, how to do, and from where to conduct a complete research. That's when I understand this is not only Priya. This is 90% of the scholar. They don't understand the best methodology. We are just going to look out for thesis and research papers and extracting data and writing it into a research. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि अगर मेरे फ्रेंड ने क्वालिटेटिव रिसर्च मेथड चूज किया है तो मैं भी वही कर लेता हूँ बिकॉज वो बेस्ट होगा. या फिर मैंने अपने ही टॉपिक के ऊपर 3-4 थीसिस पढ़े हैं, उन सब ने एक ही टाइप का रिसर्च मेथड चूज किया है, तो आई फील कि मुझे भी वही करना है. सो दिस इज द पेन पॉइंट और मैं आपको बताती हूँ आप कैसे इसको रेक्टिफाई कर सकते हो. सबसे पहले प्रिया की प्रॉब्लम थी वेयर डू आई स्टार्ट. We gave her the 5W1H formula that will help her decide what, why, when, where, who, and how of her research. Her second problem was she was confused about methodology versus research design. इन दोनों में एक्चुअली डिफरेंस क्या होता है. सो वी स्टार्टेड विद हर रिसर्च डिजाइन, then methodology, then sampling, and then tools that gave her clarity. Third one is she don't know whether to go for qualitative or quantitative. So we use the table to decide the quant, qual, and mix with pros and use cases. In between, we also used some AI tools like SciSpace or Site.ai only to support her logic, not to replace the human touch. As I always say, एआई सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपकी गाड़ी की पैसेंजर प्रिंसेस है. वो आपको डायरेक्शन दे सकती है कि आप राइट से चले जाओ या लेफ्ट से चले जाओ, बट डेस्टिनेशन आपको पता है. आपको ही अपनी कार को ड्राइव करना है. सो वाइल यू आर चूजिंग एआई, while you are choosing any of the prompt, whether given by us or anybody else, use it wisely. प्रॉम्प्ट सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपको एक बेसिक आउटलाइन दे सकते हैं. पूरा का पूरा थीसिस लिखना किसी भी एआई के लिए पॉसिबल नहीं है. Each and every context, each and every research that is being extracted from AI must be aligned with your research. You need to double check. This is how we help Priya to finalize her research methodology chapter. And trust me, within 3 weeks, she was clear about कौन सा रिसर्च मेथड चूज करना है, सैम्पलिंग डिजाइन क्या चूज करनी है, एंड टूल्स कौन से यूज करने हैं. If you are also looking out for something else, you can join our global mentorship program. All the links are given in description. Now, let's understand what your research design want. Your research design simply want you to answer these 3 questions. Question number 1, what are you studying? Question number 2, why this design makes sense? Question number 3, How will you implement it? Ethically, practically, or systematically? Here is a research design checklist. Either take a screenshot or comment research design, and we will be sharing the PDF with you. Now, look at this table to simplify the entire structure. Once the design answers this table, you are not just writing it, you are owning your research. And the confidence, it will be shown in your viva. चलो अब ये तो समझ लिया कि रिसर्च डिजाइन लिखना कैसे है, कौन से स्टेप्स फॉलो करने हैं. अब एक छोटा सा क्विज हो जाए आपकी नॉलेज को टेस्ट करने के लिए. एंड वेट, ओनली 17% स्कॉलर्स ने इस वाले क्विज का आंसर फर्स्ट टाइम में बिल्कुल सही तरीके से दिया है. तो क्या आप भी उन 17% में हो? चलो चेक करते हैं. Here are 5 questions on your screen जिसका आपको आंसर देना है. If you said yes to 4 or more questions, great. And if not, don't worry, stress mat lo, it happens. I'm going to tell you step by step how you can fix this. Step number 1, finalize your research questions and objective. Write 1 or 2 specific research questions. Use Bloom's taxonomy. Align your objective to these questions. They should be measurable. Step 2, identify your research approach. Ask yourself, do I want to explore meanings, test relationships, or both? Use this basic guide. If your goal is to explore perspective, go for qualitative. If the goal is measure and test, quantitative. If your goal is to do both, then go for mixed methods. Pick the one that aligns with your question, not trends, not your friend, not your supervisor. Your research must align with your interest and the problem you want to solve, not someone else's perspective. Step number 3, map out similar methodology. Search 2 to 3 recent papers in your area using Google Scholar or SciSpace. Look at their design type, sampling, and data collection, not what aligns with your topic. This gives you both inspiration and justification. Step number 4, finalize sampling technique and population. Define who will you study, their age, profession, sector, etc. Then ask, how will you choose them? Then, sample size, start with logic, not formula. Even pilot samples are okay in your early PhD stages. Step number 5, clarify data collection and analyze plan. Pick one main collection tool, pick one analysis method. Make sure both are connected to your research questions and approach. All these steps with templates and examples are inside the free toolkit. I hope this video helped you to understand the research design and how crucial it is for your research. If you want clarity, if you're still stuck, you feel like कि समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या करना है, research method कैसे choose करना है, even silly question in your PhD matters because हर question के ऊपर आपकी research और आपकी clarity टिकी होती है. If you feel like you want guidance and assistance, we are offering global PhD mentorship program in which I personally sit with you and help you to design your research. All the links are given in description or you can reach out to us on Instagram. We will be happy to assist you in your research journey. And remember, we have very limited seats per month. So grab your seat now. I hope this video helped you to understand research design, tools, and how to select them. If you are still confused, want to know more, connect with us, comment research design to get your PDF today. I'll be meeting you soon in next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.